Hey y'all, how you doing? Let's get straight into these pretty little things. I got 3 of them from AliExpress at 34 cents per one. That is a little over $1. That's about 360 naira or thereabout. So looking at it, it somehow looked stiff, but that was what I thought. I was thinking it would hurt my scalp if I ever used it. Seriously, it took me a while before I finally did. But if you noticed, it is flexible, bent nicely, and it is also flexible such that when you press it down your scalp, it doesn't hurt your skin or your scalp or anything. Well, it has a handle that you can slide your finger through it for you to be able to hold it properly, but along the line you will find what is comfortable for you actually. So the teeth are not stiff, they are nice and they bend nicely, like they are very flexible. So now let's see how it works. Hey y'all, I'm glad to have you here, and it's me, Cantu Deep. So it's wash day. I'll be using this DIY black soap gel that I made for my skin and hair. If you're interested in doing your own, please check my previous video, and I'll also link it for you, maybe up there or down in the description box. Normally I'll pour water over my head before I apply my shampoo, but for the purpose of this video I'm going in first with the shampoo, spray some water and try to work the soap into my scalp, because the scalp is always my focus. You know, I'm prone to scalp buildup, so I always have to target my scalp first. I will spray in more water so the soap can move down to the hair strands. The whole idea actually is not to get soapy water all over my face and my eyes until this video ends. I'll then pour water on it to loosen things up and begin to use the scalp massager or shampoo brush, whatever I choose to call it. I'll press it down into my scalp and gently go in circular motion, doing it one spot at a time. You see, when I leave one spot, I will lift my hand up totally and move to another spot, go circular and move again to another spot. So that's the best way I can describe it, and it's the best way that I have been using this. So this tool is doing 3 things actually. Number 1 is massaging my scalp to enable blood circulation, which in turn aids hair growth. Number 2, it's helping me to lift up dead skins or cells that's on my scalp. And number 3, it's breaking up buildups. Like seriously, the buildups is important to go. I think I should add this, since I started using it, getting rid of buildup has been faster than when I was using my fingers, which in turn reduces the time I spend on wash day, and that is awesome. I also noticed my scalp comes out cleaner as opposed to when I was using just my fingers. And you know, when your scalp isn't totally clean and you go ahead to put in conditioner, oils and all on it, it becomes dry, itchy and dusty sometimes and all. So in a matter of this, you're itchy your scalp, you're seeing dust and all that. So it's kind of slowed down my scalp buildup process after I use my scalp oil, which is about the only thing that goes on my scalp. I'll rinse the soap out and gently use my nails to scrape my scalp, and if anything sticks to the inside of my nails, then we are not good, but if it comes out clean, then we are good. I'm going to do this all around the portion that I'm working with, just to make sure that all the scalp gets the attention and they are all clean. Now let's see what the scalp is doing. Yeah, fine, that's great. Now let's go back to our tool. No broken hair. If that is your fate, if you use it the way I showed you in this video, then you shouldn't have anything to worry about. So generally I think it's a great tool for everyone to have. There are different ones out there. If you want to make choice, just Google it up. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.